Hello, my dear students, and welcome back again. In the first lecture, I introduced the chapter quadrilaterals to you, in which I discussed the basic terminology and definitions associated with it. In the second lecture, I solved the first two questions, and in this lecture, we will solve the third question of the same exercise. I hope that you will enjoy this video. So let me start without wasting any time. So the question is, show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. We have a quadrilateral here ABCD, and it is given that the diagonals of this quadrilateral bisect each other. It means that AO is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. Also, it is given that these diagonals bisect each other at right angles. It means that the angles formed at this point of intersection, let me name them as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Measure of all these angles is 90 degree each. Now what we have to show? We have to show that it is a rhombus. This particular quadrilateral is a rhombus. There are two ways to solve this question. One way is that I can show AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. That is, I can show all the sides of the given quadrilateral are equal, and you know that if all the sides of a given quadrilateral are equal, then it is a rhombus. Other way is that first I will prove that ABCD is a parallelogram, and then I will show one of its pair of adjacent sides equal. And you know that if one pair of adjacent sides of a given parallelogram are equal, then it is a rhombus. But I think the first way is the easiest way, and I will choose the first method. So first of all, I will write what we have given. So we have a quadrilateral here, and its name is obviously ABCD, such that the diagonals AC and the other one BD bisect each other, and obviously they bisect each other at right angles. So bisect each other at right angles. This is given. Now in order to show that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, what I will do, I will take two adjacent triangles. I need two adjacent triangles. Suppose I will take triangle AOB and triangle COB. I will show them as congruent, and we know corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Then I can easily write AB is equal to BC. Then similarly BC will be equal to DC and DC will be equal to AD. So you can check it out here. Now in triangle, one is AOB and the other one triangle COB. In these two triangles, first point AO is equal to OC. Why? Given. Because it is given that diagonals bisect each other. Number second point, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, because measure of each of these angles is 90 degree, because the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. And the number third point is that OB is equal to OB, because it is the common side in both the triangles. So you can see it that by SAS congruency rule, the two triangles are congruent. That means triangle AOB will be congruent to triangle COB using which criteria? You can see here, side, angle, side. So using SAS congruency rule, when they are congruent, which implies AB is equal to BC. You can name it equation first, and the reason is CPCT. You know that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So I have proved that these two triangles are congruent, so which implies AB is equal to BC. Now you need not to prove that these two triangles are congruent. In the similar fashion, we can write now BC is equal to DC and DC is equal to AD. So I will write here similarly. We can prove that BC is equal to CD, and you can name it equation second, and CD is equal to DA, and you can name it here equation third. From these equations, from equations first, second and third, what we conclude? We get that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. So in the given quadrilateral, all the four sides are equal. Thus, it is a rhombus. Thus, ABCD is a rhombus. So this is the way by which we can solve this question. Thanks for watching. Thanks.